Greetings, my mother.
I sent the three of you into the world of mortals. And you disappointed me. You abandoned the mission I sent you there for. Why was that?
My mother, I am truly sorry. But the fact still remains that the mortals have a delicious meal.
Will you shut up that thing you call a mouth? We have enough blood and flesh is here to suck and drink.
Lord of Jesus.
Don't you ever call that word here again!
Queen Mother, I tried to remind my sisters here of the mission that we were sent to carry out. But they were easily distracted by the foods of those mortal people.
I'm sorry, Queen Mother. I never knew their men are so sweet. I mean, Queen Mother, even you need to see them. Like they're beautiful creations.
The three of you must face the consequences of your actions.
You're sorry, Queen Mother. Please forgive us.
I did not do what they were doing now.
Shut up!
This one was busy eating. This one was busy. Man, Queen Mother, I forgot that one.
Shut up! Don't we have sweeter men here in our kingdom?
It's not like the mortals,
Yeah,
Queen
go
Mother.
like me.
We have riches here. What are you telling me? We have good meals here. We have flesh. And we have fresh blood to suck and drink. And you went there to disgrace me.
We are sorry, Queen
Mother. Please temper justice with
Mercy.
For this calamity you have brought upon this kingdom, in the next 17 years, none of you will visit the world of mortals anymore.
I told you people. I told you.
Told me what?
You were busy following them and you didn't know.
You don't know this.
Now, me,
17 years. Like 17 years.
I go resign. This Queen Mother, every time I water person with a drink.
I know what to do. I think I have to do something that Queen Mother will. Yes, I want her to punish me. Like, I want her to send me to
Cast us
the
out.
Yeah!
Me, I'm not tired to the turn to fish.
Like, you need to see these people, babe.